The purpose of this lab is to make a simple device on which suspended particulate matter might settle in order to get a sense of the quality of particulate matter that is in the air.
For this project, the materials we used were cardboard, a ruler, tape, an index card, and Vaseline.
We also used
hole puncher, cardboard cutter, slide, and a Q-tip.
So for the first step,
You have to cut the cardboard.
Your favorite boy. I wanna be the one that makes your day, the one you think about as you lie awake. I can't wait to be your number one. I'll be your biggest fan.
The next step is to cut a window in the cardboard.
next we will just be applying Vaseline onto the slide. Once the Vaseline is applied,
We measure the weight of the slide.
I'm on my own shit now. Let me tell you how it feels to be fucking great. I feel.
the first slide that we measured weighed 4.87 grams.
Whoa, you need to be yourself. Love someone for loving you instead of someone really cool that makes your heart melt. Who knows what you truly felt? You're still my favorite girl. You better trust me when I tell you there ain't no one else more beautiful in this damn world. In this damn world.
Now that we weigh the slide, we're just placing it into the window.
You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna
With the slide in place, we've taped it down to keep it steady.
You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend. Best friend. You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend. Best friend.
Now we are just hole punching the cardboard so we are able to tie strings.
Baby, you're gonna wanna be my best friend. I say that I'm happy. I say that I'm happy, but no, 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 no. I still wanna be.
So now you're just going to repeat the same steps.
So in total, you have 2 samples. Once we repeated the steps, the second slide weighed 7.61 grams.
And I can't wait to be your number.
We used the flashcards to label the slides so we were able to identify which slide was which. Now that we have assembled everything, we're going to be finding locations for each of the slides.
The first slide has to be located where there is a lot of activity, and the second slide is located in a more isolated area. We decided to place the second slide towards the back of the school near the football field.
I still wanna be your favorite. Oh, I wanna be.
For the first slide, we decided to place it near the entrance of the school where many people pass by.
We are not responsible for that.
After a few days, we went back to collect the slides from their locations.
I want to know where I can go when you're not around.
Our second slide didn't contain a lot of substances.
So won't you stay for a moment so I can stay?
Once we collected the slides, we were able to look through the microscope to see what they collected.
Here are the final weights of both slides.
To conclude this lab, the results showed that
The first slide in front of the school had more particles.
yeah, it collected more particles because there was more activity happening there and more people were passing by.
And the slide in the back of the school barely had any substances on the Vaseline.
Which you can see from the weight difference. Obviously, the first slide weighed 4.61, and it went up a lot compared to the other one. It almost weighed the same thing, but it obviously
had
gained more
particles on it.
So, yeah. Thank you. Bye.